This is a used 2014 Ford Expedition. It's powered by four-wheel drive, a 5.4-liter, 8-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. With fewer than 25,000 miles, this vehicle has a long road ahead. The features include internet connectivity, electric trunk, heated steering wheel, leather seats, heated rear seats, Bluetooth connectivity, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, second and third row head airbags, rain sensing wipers, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning. Be confident in your purchase with an AutoCheck Vehicle History Report, the industry's trusted vehicle history provider. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today. State College Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 3140 West College Avenue, State College, Pennsylvania 16801.